Hello, welcome back to my channel. It is Amanda. Today it is time for the first update in my whole project. What's it called? Whole collection polish project that I'm doing in collaboration with a whole bunch of other nail polish YouTubers. This was started by Amanda from the Nail Polish Hound. I'll have the intro video linked up here so you can get more information that way. For now, we're just going to do the update. So in December, I chose 10 polishes randomly. I used a random generator so that I could wear 10 polishes from deep within the Helmer drawers. I have all my nail polish in a spreadsheet, and I didn't have to create one, thankfully, because that would have been very time consuming. So I did have everything in a spreadsheet. I just chose 10 numbers randomly using the Pretty Random app, and then the goal is to wear those 10 polishes, or wear whatever you can, and then at each update rotate in some new polishes to just kind of get like some life back into your nail polish collection. I'm very bad about digging into my Helmer drawers to wear, especially the older polishes, even though I still love them. It's easy to get caught up with swatching current things or swatching untrieds or whatever. So this is a good way to utilize your collection and kind of wear some old things. So I did actually wear 6 polishes, and I'm going to show you those, and then I will show you the polishes that I'm going to be adding in. I already chose them just to save time. They've already been chosen. Let's get to it. The first polish that I wore is the Rogue Lacquer. It's a Small World. This is a bright orange, coral orange jelly flaky polish. This was perfect to wear in January. It's very dull and gray in January, and the bright neon was just what I needed. I really love this color and I like the formula. It's a 3-coat polish. It's a jelly polish, but that was the first polish that I wore from Rogue Lacquer. Next I wore the Marc Jacobs Beauty Evelyn. This is a dark gray cream polish. Nothing really spectacular, but the formula is fine. It's a dark gray cream polish. I actually don't have as much dark gray polish as I was anticipating. I intended to pull all of my gray cream polish to talk about some of my favorite gray polishes, and I think I had like 4. I thought I had more. I don't know what happened there, but I don't have a lot of gray cream polish, so this is a good staple color, and I do like a gray, especially for glitter toppers. The next 2 polishes I wore as a manicure. So this is China Glaze Running in Circles, this gorgeous emerald green, and then Smitten polish, which is now Dreamland Lacquer, or Dreamland polish, Dreamland Lacquer Electric Lime. I thought this was a really pretty green. It's not really a Skittles manicure because it's just 2 colors, but it's a duo of colors that I thought looked really nice together. And I don't think this was cheating because I didn't wear 1 polish. It's just like a one nail accent nail. It was at least 2 nails, so I don't think that's cheating. I'm still counting. Then the last 2 polishes I also wore together. I'm actually wearing them right now. So we have Supermoon Lacquer You Got It as the base color. This is a really pretty like wisteria purple. And there's a subtle like pink shimmer in here. It's not really evident on the nail, so I wanted more shimmer or glitter. I wanted something else to this, so I added Night Owl Lacquer Tastes Like Purple, which I think looks really pretty over this. And again, I don't think this is cheating, because the Tastes Like Purple, I think I would have needed to wear in 3 coats, which is fine. I have no issues with that. You can still see that the base color is not this Night Owl Lacquer color. You can still see the 2 colors. I mean, that might be a stretch, but I'm still counting it, so that's what I wore. So those are the first 6 that I wore. Let me remove these and I'll show you the new colors. So the 4 that we have remaining are China Glaze, Get It Right, Get It Bright. Oh, you can't see them. Rogue Lacquer Mustard, Rogue Lacquer Desert Dusk, and Zoya Aurora. So those are the 4 that are left. The 6 that I'm adding in, the first is from A. England, and I'm so glad this was chosen because I love A. England polishes. They are like... Oh, sorry, am I talking too much, sir? Lay your little head down, it's okay. Take a little nail brush. You are the fluffiest bear dog I've ever seen. I love A. England polishes. I haven't purchased any A. England polishes in a really long time. And again, it's because I like them so much. I just ignore the brands that I truly want every polish that they release because I can't do that. So I just ignore them. And A. England is one of those brands. So Rose Bauer is the first polish. And this is perfect for like February, you know. It's a really pretty red. And I'll insert like a nail wheel swatches. I think this whole color palette right here is really pretty. The gray and the mustard with like the pink and the purple. I really think that's pretty. I don't know what my dog wants. He was growling to get out and I was growling to come back in. I don't know what he wants, okay? The next polish randomly selected is a polish from What's Up Nails. This is called Succulent and this is a gorgeous, this is like another kind of wisteria purple with a lot of blue and pink micro shimmer in here. This is really pretty. They sent this as PR, I think last year, and I had never tried their polishes before and they're really good quality, so I'm glad that this was chosen because I haven't worn this since I swatched it. The next polish is one from 90 Lacquer. This is Balsam, so this is actually a Christmas polish, but it's just a beautiful green, so you can definitely wear that whenever. This will be like a fantastic spring green. It needs to be shaken up. I haven't done it yet. I really am thinking about getting a nail polish shaker. But they're really expensive. Greens like this seem to get kind of ugly bottle syndrome. Any sort of olivey color or green like this, they always seem to need a real good shake. Put my gym muscles to work. This is a beautiful polish. I haven't worn this polish in years. Let's just be honest, I haven't worn most of these in years because I'm the worst. The next polish that was chosen is one from ILNP and this is called Downpour and this is maybe the most beautiful color I've ever seen in my life. It's this fantastic sapphire blue with a ton of holographic shimmer in here. I love this color so much. I love this color. I am so excited to wear this. I'm really enjoying this challenge. I don't know, I tend to wear the same things, which I think we all kind of do, but I love these, I love all of these colors. And I love all these polishes. I know that, you know, I don't keep polishes that I don't like, first of all, or that I think the formula is terrible or something. So I know that all of these polishes are going to be really good quality. So I'm very excited to dig into that. The next polish is one from Studio M. This is the brand that's available at Meyer. It's such a great brand. I'm so sorry that more people can't get it, but I'm also kind of not sorry that I don't have to share Meyer with the entire country / world. This is called Purple Medallion. This is a fantastically sparkly, this is what I call raspberry pink. It's not purple at all. I don't think this is purple at all. It's very, very pink. There's a ton of glitter in here, silver glitters. It looks like there's some little holographic glitters in here. This is so beautiful. I love this color. And then the last polish that I chose, I cannot find. I don't know where it is. I don't think that I decluttered it because I know what the polish looks like and it's beautiful. I cannot find it. So I chose a different one and this is another Night Owl Lacquer. This is Rustling Leaves. And this is actually a kind of like a topper. It's a red to green to bronze copper flaky shifting flaky topper. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to wear this over. I mean, I can wear it over something besides this, but this is a beautiful polish. I think this is from, it says, the label says it's from the More Fall Feels collection, so that's not Polish Pickup, that's a standalone collection. So we shall see. Ooh, that would look really good over Rose Bauer. Okay, so that is my first update. I'm so excited to see everyone else's progress. If you are doing this at home or, you know, following along, or if you have a channel or let me know how you are doing with this project. Are you digging it? I'm digging it. I think digging it, but I'm from the 60s apparently. I'm digging it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.